Welcome students, Unit 14 Haloalkenes and Haloarenes பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம் 11th standard chemistry. So in the sections are part 2 video of uses of Grignard reagents. Grignard reagent is a general formula for RMGX. RMGX, that is formula is RMGX. So you can replace here CH3MgBr. So in this part of second video we can prepare that acetaldehyde, ketone and acetic acid. In part 1 we can prepare the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. So this aldehyde, general now you know this aldehyde functional group. So C double I can write here. So okay, C double bond OH, that is CH3. This is our aldehyde. Generally aldehyde is a C double bond OH. So I am acetyl group, methyl group. So this name of the compound is acetaldehyde. And second one is the C double bond O. C double bond O, CH3, CH3. It is our ketones. So all the functional group having a C double bonded group. There is a carbonyl group. Is similarly for acid. Acid is having a carbonyl carbon. One side is a OH, another side is a methyl group. So this is a carboxylic acid. These three compounds is prepared by individual respective components is. So listen students, this is our aldehyde. This aldehyde is prepared from ester. This aldehyde is prepared from ester. General formula of ester all of you know RCOOR. So I am taking here CH3 COO C2H5. Okay, this is a ester format, but name of the compound is ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate. So this ethyl acetate is generally having a carbonyl group. Carbonyl group. Okay. So this carbonyl group, this ethoxy group will be removed. So you can prepare the aldehyde group. Similarly, you taking acetane is prepared from what type of compound? Acetone. So you having C double bond group. Same group having. So it's one side is a methyl group. So this substituent group is replaced by another methyl group. So I am taking a Cl. This name of the compound is called acetyl chloride. And similarly, this is our acid, carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid, this methyl group is getted from Grignard region. So we need only for functional group of C double bond O group and one more side of oxygen. So I am taking generally carbon dioxide. Is easily understand because we are needed only for carbonyl group. So which carbonyl group you want? So respective functional group you taking. Okay. So let us see one by one. What is the preparation of aldehyde? First preparation of general formula you know acetaldehyde. So I am taking generally reaction C double bond O H. This is our aldehyde functional group. This substituent is one methyl group. That name is called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. So this acetaldehyde react with the methyl magnesium bromate CH3MgBr. Listen carefully. Sorry, we are prepared acetaldehyde from acetate OC2H5. So I am taking here what happening? Ester. That ester is a ethyl. Listen, this is our ethyl acetate. What is the name of the compound is ethyl acetate. The ethyl acetate only give the aldehyde group. So how can it is possible? This is our methyl magnesium bromate. This methyl magnesium is a negative, is a positive. So you can breaking this negative carbon is attacked to this carbanion is attacked to carbonyl carbon. So this double bond is bearing to over of oxygen atom. What is happening here? CH3 CO MgBr remaining OC2H5. OC2H5. Okay, listen carefully. This mechanism is not like a similar to what? Primary and secondary alcohol. It is different from some double bonded conjugations. How can you on it? It is needed for hydrolysis. It is needed for hydrolysis H2OH. So this hydrolysis of this having some bond, okayங்களா, it's having some covalent bond. So this OH group will be, this magnesium is, this double bond will be shifted to here. So this carbonyl carbon will be shifted out. This carbonyl carbon is shifted out. So what's happening here? CH3 C double bond O, hydrogen is added. Hydrogen is added. Hydrogen is added. Remaining will be a magnesium bromide compound. Magnesium bromide compound. This is a very important compound. It's only one similar. This bond is shifted to here, so you can form a double bond. So this OH water molecules liberate on hydrogen ion. That hydrogen ion attached to carbonyl carbon. So what is the name of the compound? It is called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. So next you are taking the preparation of ketones. The ketone is prepared by acetyl chloride. This is a carbonyl chloride. This is a chloride. This is having a 1-methyl. So name of the compound is called acetyl chloride. This acetyl chloride react with methyl magnesium iodide or bromide, whatever. So this having negative sign. This negative sign attack to carbonyl carbon. So this carbon is attached to magnesium atom. So what's happening here? CH3COMgBr remaining having Cl group. So one more substituent is added here, CH3. Okay, CH3. So you get the formation of compound is a aldehyde. The compound is a aldehyde. That aldehyde is name is compound H2O. So here name of the compound is ketones. This double bond is shifted to here. So this magnesium is attached to chlorine. What's happening? CH3 C double bond O, CH3 plus MgClBr. MgClBr, that is name of the compound is called a propanone or otherwise a ketone, otherwise acetone. Propanone or is called a acetone. So you are taking the preparation of acetic acid or otherwise a carboxylic acid. Generally carboxylic acid, I am taking name, correct name is acid. So C double bond O double bond O. Cr. Okay. We are taking a carbon dioxide. You taking either side, left hand side, right hand side. It reacts with the methyl magnesium bromide MgBr. So that methyl group is attached to carbon. What's happening here? COMgBr. Here one methyl group, here double bonded group. So now this is having a 4 valency, but this methyl group is attached to here. This magnesium will be liberation of 2 bonded. That compound is called H plus H2O. So here CH3. Here no more is a bonding is shifted, but it is having a 1 double bonded. Listen. So both the sided 2 double bonded. This methyl group attacked. This double bond is shifted to negative sign. So now it is satisfied by 4. So the O is attached with the methyl magnesium bromide. So now this is splitted with the hydrogen ion and OH minus ion. What's happening? Carbon OH double bond O CH3. It looks like an acid. CH3 COOH. It's an acetic acid. So name of the compound is acetic acid. Remaining will be you get a Br and a hydroxyl group. Br and a hydroxyl group. So the Br and the hydroxyl group is okay. This Br and hydroxyl group is we are taking this. So this compound is called a bromine compound. So it is called acetic acid. Acetic. Okay, listen. Okay, let us see that is having one mistake, students. Listen. The preparation of aldehyde. I am prepared aldehyde from taking a ethyl format. So I am taking ethyl acetate means this hydrogen will be replaced. In our textbook you get given only correct formula for ethyl formate. Actually textbook bookல ethyl formate name கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க but structure தப்பா கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. So you can replace here H. Now only you have form a correct formula. So this methyl group attached here. So this hydrogen will be replaced. So here forming a acetaldehyde. H இப்போ கரெக்டா இருக்கும் பாருங்க. Aldehyde group will be got. Okay, this is our இப்போ இது அசிட்டால்டிகைட் ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கும் பாருங்க. இந்த ஃபார்மும் இங்க ரைட் பண்ணிருக்க 3 ஃபார்ம்ஸ் இவனுடைய given productsல கரெக்ட்டா இருக்கணும். Is having one small changes, so you can repeat again. This ethyl formate is react one ethyl group and one hydrogen group. So you can replace here also one ethyl group. One ethyl group is replaced by one hydrogen atom. Again I repeat, this ethyl formate one side is the methoxy group on one side is the hydrogen. This methyl group attached to this carbon, so you can form a methyl and oxide. This acts in the bond order remove ஆயிடுச்சுனா உங்களுக்கு double bond மட்டும் தான் ஃபார்ம் ஆயிருக்கும். So there is no more substituent here. So இந்த ஃபார்முலா நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம் பாருங்க. CH3CHO ன்னு எழுதலாம். So it is called our acetaldehyde. This is now means acetone. இந்த காம்பவுண்ட் எப்படி எழுதலாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா CH3COOH. It is our acetic acid. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. So you can change that formula. Okay.